Welcome to Better Health and Longevity, where we're on a mission to unveil the secrets behind leading a healthier, more enriched life. Today's episode is a fascinating journey through the world of beverages. Not your average drinks, but powerful concoctions that can significantly enhance your nerve health. So, get comfortable, and let's embark on this delicious adventure together. In the realm of health and wellness, what we drink plays a pivotal role in our body's overall functioning. Imagine indulging in beverages that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also fortify your nervous system. Yes, it's possible, and today we're going to show you how. From soothing teas to vibrant juices, these drinks are not just about quenching thirst, they're about enriching your health with every sip. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is a revered beverage across the globe. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants. Its key ingredient, EGCG, is a superhero for your nerves, promoting cell growth and speedy recovery from injuries. Plus, the amino acid L-theanine in green tea crosses the blood-brain barrier to enhance brain function. Imagine sipping on a cup of this elixir daily, not just for its calming effect, but for its profound impact on your nerve health. If you're enjoying this journey so far and find these insights valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join our community for more health-boosting secrets and tips. Number 2. Turmeric tea. This vibrant drink, rooted in ancient traditions, is a blend of inflammation-fighting curcumin and milk. Turmeric's magic extends beyond its bright color, offering neuroprotective benefits that support nerve growth and recovery. Integrating a cup of golden milk into your routine is like wrapping your nerves in a protective shield, all while treating yourself to a warm, comforting beverage. Number 3. Orange carrot and ginger juice. This trio works in harmony to protect and rejuvenate your nerves. Oranges, rich in vitamin C, fight oxidative stress, while carrots provide beta-carotene for nerve maintenance. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory properties, ensures your nerves are in optimal condition. This juice is not just a treat for your senses, but a guardian of your nerve health. Number 4. Lemon and ginger tea. This blend is more than just a comfort drink. It's a robust defender of your nervous system. The antioxidants in ginger and the vitamin C in lemons work together to protect your nerves from damage and support their regeneration. Continuing our exploration into beverages that promise not just to quench your thirst, but to invigorate your nerve health, let's delve deeper into the treasure trove of nature's bounty. Each drink we introduce is a testament to the power of natural ingredients in supporting the intricate web of our nervous system. Number 5. Blueberry smoothie. Blueberries, those small but mighty fruits, are crammed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which lend them their vibrant color and, more importantly, their nerve-protecting qualities. These antioxidants play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, a significant threat to nerve health. A blueberry smoothie isn't just a delightful treat for your taste buds, it's akin to a shield for your nerves, protecting them from damage and aiding in their repair. Moreover, the high levels of vitamin C and K, along with fiber found in blueberries, contribute to a robust nervous system and an overall health boost. Imagine starting your day with a blueberry smoothie, knowing each sip not only delights your senses, but also contributes to your body's well-being. Integrating such a nutritious beverage into your daily routine can be a game-changer for your health, offering a delicious way to support nerve function and protect against damage. Number 6. Pomegranate juice. This ruby red elixir is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including punicalagins and punic acid, which excel at protecting cells from damage. The neuroprotective effects of pomegranate juice, such as promoting neuron regeneration and enhancing memory, make it a formidable ally for your nervous system. Drinking pomegranate juice is more than just enjoying its sweet and tart flavor. It's about empowering your body to maintain optimal nerve health. Number 7. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is renowned for its calming effects, but its benefits extend far beyond just soothing the mind. Chamomile is rich in apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to certain receptors in the brain, potentially reducing anxiety and aiding in sleep, a critical aspect of nerve repair and health. Integrating chamomile tea into your evening routine can not only help unwind your mind, but also support your body's natural healing processes during sleep. Number 8. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a refreshing brew that is not just a palate cleanser, but also a powerful agent for gastrointestinal health, which is intrinsically linked to overall well-being, including that of the nervous system. Peppermint tea can help relax the gastrointestinal tract, reducing symptoms of bloating and indigestion, and ensuring that your body's nutrient absorption is optimal for nerve health. As we continue to explore the benefits of these beverages, it's essential to recognize the holistic approach to health they represent. Each sip of these healthful drinks carries not just nutrients and antioxidants, but also centuries of traditional wisdom on wellness and healing. They remind us that taking care of our nervous system is not just about direct interventions, but also about nurturing our bodies and minds in a more comprehensive manner. The beauty of incorporating these drinks into your lifestyle lies in their versatility. You can enjoy a blueberry smoothie as a nutritious breakfast option or a post-workout snack, while pomegranate juice can serve as a refreshing midday beverage or a delightful addition to your morning routine. Each offers a unique blend of flavors and health benefits, making them perfect for anyone looking to enhance their nerve health deliciously. As we near the conclusion of our healthful beverage guide, let's not forget the importance of consistency and variety in our choices. Rotating between these nutrient-rich drinks can provide your body with a wide range of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals essential for nerve health and overall well-being. Whether it's the antioxidant prowess of green tea, the inflammatory fighting capabilities of turmeric latte, the refreshing zest of orange carrot ginger juice, the nerve-protecting qualities of a blueberry smoothie, or the neuroprotective effects of pomegranate juice, each beverage offers a unique set of benefits. Incorporating these drinks into your daily regimen is more than a step towards better health. It's a journey towards a more vibrant, energized, and nourished life. As we conclude this exploration, remember that each choice you make in what you consume can have profound effects on your health. These beverages are not just drinks, they're a lifestyle choice, a commitment to nurturing your body, and a testament to the healing power of nature.